Say goodbye to expensive store-bought kibble and hello to deliciously nutritious, tail-wagging meals made right in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the incredibly easy and cost-effective world of slow cooker dog food. It's the perfect way to ensure your furry friend gets wholesome, balanced meals without the fuss. First, let's prep our veggies. We'll need about 2 cups of chopped mixed vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and green beans. These provide essential vitamins and fiber for a healthy digestive system. Next up, our protein for this basic recipe. We're using about 1 pound of lean ground turkey or chicken. You can also opt for lean ground beef or even whole. Debone chicken thighs, just make sure it's lean to avoid excess fat. Now, simply toss those vibrant chopped vegetables right into the slow cooker with your protein. It really is this simple to get started. To help everything cook evenly and become wonderfully tender, add about 2 cups of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. We just want enough to moisten the ingredients, not submerge them completely. Secure the lid on your slow cooker. We'll be cooking this on low for about 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The key is allowing all those flavors to meld together and the ingredients to become fork tender. Once cooked, the ingredients should be easily shreddable and soft. Let the mixture cool slightly before proceeding for a smoother consistency. You can mash it with a fork or a potato masher, or even pulse it briefly in a food processor. This is where the magic happens. You'll have a wonderfully fragrant, nutrient-rich meal ready for your pup. You can serve this as is, or mix it with a small amount of their regular kibble to transition them gradually. Store the cooled food in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, or freeze individual portions for longer storage. This makes meal prep for the week incredibly convenient. There you have it. Delicious, healthy, and budget-friendly homemade dog food made with love in your slow cooker. Your dog will thank you with every happy bark and wag of their tail.